business intelligence is all about. So I'm able to pick what events that has already taken place, and based on that historic data, and I'll tell you the network sales cycle behave this way. Or I'll pick maybe the stock market historically, and I'll say that this is what happened. For example, I'm looking at the weather here. What do you think is going to happen? Rain, right? How did you know that? You pick historical data and you did that. So you did some level of what analytics. And this is what most people thought they were having. So what you were doing was what is called a descriptive nature.
A lot of entrepreneurs or young people who want to appreciate technology and use it to solve problems are creating apps or stuff that are not really touching grounds with the realities. So you almost every platform you find young people saying, I've created this app that can do this, I've created that. But we go into it and realize that it has not even been able to solve 0.5% of the problem that we have.
One of the few things that you must do is to educate your people on how to change their passwords. That length, 8 digits, I'm not going to talk, I know you know them. It's not for me to tell you. The length, making sure that you have caps, you have alphanumeric, you have special characters, you know them. But how to build them sometimes is a problem. People say don't use certain things, but I always advise that I spend 10 Ghana cedis a day, full stop, boom. Nice password. I, capital, spend, normal letter, Ghana, 40, CD, the dollar sign, I can use dollar sign, 40. So it is there, alphanumeric is there. Then I'll add a full stop at the end. It's about 30. So it could be around yourself, but be careful you don't use your names, your date of birth and all that other people can know. But use something that can help you remember.
The way you are welcome and the way the police takes the information you give to them. My personal experiences show to me that they feel you shouldn't even be here telling them what they are telling them.
I agree with you 100%.
So the thin line is, you can have the information on the website. If you are sending in a proposal, it's not a crime. But if you are posing as a person, that is the crime. So you still have the information, it's available. But what you do with it is, that is the thin line between the crime and not the crime. So yes, you can have the email addresses there, but you send an email, maybe you're not supposed to even send that proposal to the CEO, probably to the secretary. But you did send to the CEO. That is not a crime because you saw it online, it was available, you sent it. But if you're now posing as that person using that email account, then that is the crime.
So what we're saying is, let's train our internal users. Nowadays, what we call it, there is zero trust network. Don't trust anybody on your network.
We are very overwhelmed by your presence. We are very, very excited. You can walk in, find out what solutions you need, and we are there to give it to you. Thank you very much.